Hi, this is MikoCG, and in this part of the tutorial I will show you yet another way how to remove your default cube. This time something even more different. So, select your default cube just by clicking it and press the G key on your keyboard, followed by some totally random high number, and accept it by pressing enter. Now your cube is no longer visible, but it's still here, it still exists in this scene. So go to your hierarchy, create new collection, and 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 new collection. Take your cube, place it into that collection, go to object properties and uncheck all these three options, and even hide it in your hierarchy. Now close all these collections. And for some bonus points, as the last time, take this collection and rename it to something that you won't ever open. And your default cube is gone, as long as you don't open it, so don't. That's it. See you later in the next part.